Welcome guys to the CardInformant.com 2009 Donruss Gridiron Gear box break. Special thanks to Panini for the box. We're looking for 3 game-used memorabilia or autograph cards in the box. 18 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Off the top, checklist, and onto the packs. Pack 1, Tize, Husmanjula, Frank Gore. Autograph, Hunter Cantwell, rookie, number 95 of 100. Matt Hasselbeck, and D'Angelo Williams. Tony Gonzalez, Jamarcus Russell, Steve Slayton. Another autograph, Mike Wallace, 41 of 45, on a little bit of a manufactured field print type thing, something new and different. Bertrand Berrien and Lawrence Maroney. Pack number 3. Ricky Williams, Anthony Gonzalez, Rashad Jennings, rookie, numbered to 250. Joe Flacco and Terrell Owens. Dwayne Bowe, Ray Rice, another rookie, Fu Valapuna, 21 of 25, parallel rookie. Carson Palmer and Marquise Costin. Aaron Rodgers, Vincent Jackson, Jericho Crotchery, Donald Brown, rookie Gridiron Gems patch card, numbered 13 of 50. Nice looking little 2-color patch piece there. Darren McFadden and Matt Ryan. So there's supposed to be 3 autographs or game use per box. We have reached that, so we'll see if there are any extra hits in here. Brett Favre, Greg Olson, David Johnson, rookie, numbered to 999. Derek Ward and Michael Turner. Kyle Orton, Braylon Edwards, Next Generation, Tyson Jackson, number 27 of 250. Greg Jennings, and Ronnie Brown. Tony Romo, Jason Campbell, rookie Travis Beckham, number to 999. Lavernius Coles and Chad Ochocinco. Steve Smith, Eddie Royal, Reggie Bush. There we go. There's a triple jersey Next Generation. Derek Williams, Mike Wallace, Ramses Barden, numbered to 250. There's an extra game used for this box. Marshawn Lynch and Dante Culpepper. Lendell White, Willis McGahee, rookie William Moore, numbered to 999. Antonio Gates and Larry Fitzgerald. Adrian Peterson, Kevin Smith, David Garrard X, numbered 250. Matt Schaub, Deshaun Jackson. Julius Jones, Torrey Holt. Next Generation, looks like a copper parallel, not numbered. Brian Westbrook and Mark Bolger. Roddy White, Antonio Bryant, playbook insert, number 24/25 of Anthony Gonzalez, Tom Brady, and Jake Delhomme. Zach Miller, Kerry Collins, Performers Joaquin Iglesias, numbered 100/250, Peyton Manning, and Donovan McNabb. Wes Walker, Joseph Adai, rookie Brian Cusino, numbered to 999, Jamal Lewis, and Santonio Holmes. LaDainian Tomlinson, Brian Urlacher, Willie Parker, X, numbered to 250. Another triple game used Next Generation card here, Brian Pettigrew, Brian Robitsky, and Muhammad Masuli, numbered to 250. Ryan Grant, and Big Ben. Leon Washington, Chris Cooley, Kellen Winslow Jr. There's a nice looking large patch, Derek Williams, rookie Gridiron Gems. That is numbered 16/50. Nice looking little piece of patch there. Larry Johnson and Kelvin Johnson Jr. And last pack, Vernon Davis, Jay Cutler, Ziggy Hood rookie, numbered to 999, Marion Barber III, and Clinton Portis. So there's a look at 2009 Gridiron Gear. Quite a few hits. We had the Derek Williams Gridiron Gear patch rookie to 50, the Hunter Cantwell rookie auto to 100, Next Generation's triple game used Pettigrew Robitsky Masuli to 250, another triple generations Derek Williams, Mike Wallace, Ramsey Barden to 250, patch rookie Donald Brown to 25, a couple inserts to 25, and the Mike Wallace auto to 45. www.cardinformant.com. We'll be giving everything away from the break. Have a good day, guys.